My newborn died from whooping cough 3 years ago. Since then I have been attacked by the anti-vax movement for promoting vaccination. Alma, what has been the hardest part about being so vocal regarding this topic? Biting my tongue. I have read so many conspiracies about our son's death, that it wasn't really whooping cough that killed him, or that we are big pharma shills, or that we murdered him. I try not to respond to that sort of thing as I don't have time to argue back and forth with conspiracy theorists. But it is hard to bite my tongue when reading such ludicrous stuff.